Sai Ram children, welcome back to our online maths class. Yes, second standard children, you all are ready? So, open your book. Today we will be doing chapter 1, numbers 100 to 200. Number names, hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, so open your book. Take your pencil box. You are having pencil and eraser. Okay. Now you can see, read aloud and complete counting from 101 to 200. So let's start. You know the counting. You can write. Okay. 101. Then you will write 102, 103, yes, 104, 105, 106, yes, say loudly and write the numbers. 107, 108, 109, 110. Okay. Like this. Say loudly and write the numbers. Complete. Okay. You have to write till 200. Okay. Finish it like this. Done, children? Okay. Now you will repeat after me. Okay? Do you remember? 1 10, 10, 2 tens, 20, 3 tens, 30, 4 tens, 40, 5 tens, 50, 6 tens, 60, 7 tens, 70, 8 tens, 80, 9 tens, 90, 10 tens, 100. Okay? 100 is the smallest 3-digit number. Now children, have a look. Number names in your notebook, in your maths notebook, you will write the number names. Every day, one page you can write, so you can finish it. Okay? From 101 to 110. Then again 111 to 120, 121 to 130, 131 to 140, 141 to 150, 151 to 160, 161 to 170, 171 to 180, 181 to 190, 191 to 200. Okay? So every day one page you will write in a neat and clean handwriting. So finish up to 200. Okay? Finish the number names. Now what here you can see, children? You can see 2 abacus rod. One is of tens and ones. Tens and ones. So on the ones place, count the beads. You know the counting. You have done this in your junior classes? Yes. So 1, 2. In the ones place there are 2 beads, and in tens place 1, 2, 3. So 3 tens make 30 and 2 ones make 2. We get the number 32. Okay? Today we will be doing hundreds, tens, ones. You can see H, T, O. We use any 3 digits from 0 to 9 write as a 3-digit number. Okay? Now say any 3-digit number from 0 to 9 select. Okay, we will take 1, then 4, one more, 2. Okay, so now these digits are written under 100 tens 1. So see, you can say like this, 142. Okay, to write the number name of a 3-digit number, we always write the hundreds place first. So we will write like this the number name, 100. Then the tens and ones place together. So 142. Correct? Like this you can write 142. Now here what you can see? You can see the abacus rod of hundreds, tens, ones. Rod H reads hundreds. Rod T reads in rod T reads in tens. Rod O reads in ones. Now let's count in the ones place. Yes, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In ones place there are 9 beads. Then come to the tens place. Yes, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 beads. And in the hundreds place there is 1. So 139 equal to, we can write like this, 100 plus 3 tens, it makes 30, plus 9 ones, 139. Okay? Now I will explain you with few examples. Again, hundreds, tens, ones. Yes, let's count from the ones place. Yes, count the bead. 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here. Then in the tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And in the hundreds place, 1. So 143. 143 equal to 100 plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. Clear, children? Again, hundreds, tens, ones. You can see 129, 100, okay. Then 2 tens is this one, 20, and 9 ones. 129. Done? Now what here you can see what to do. You can see here, this is the block of 100. We can write 100, yes. Then here 2 tens, 20, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this we can give the plus sign. 100, yes, read out 125. Okay, so we can write like this, 125 equal to 100, okay, plus 2 tens. 2 tens 20, so write 2 tens plus 5 ones. Understood? We can do like this. Now, if there are no tens blocks or no ones blocks, we write 0 for the number of blocks. Here you can see this is the block of 100 plus 0. So here the tens blocks is not there. Okay, tens box is missing. Correct? So we will write 0 here. And in the ones place 1, 2. So 2. We can write like this, 100 plus 0 tens plus 2 ones. See in the hundreds, tens, ones, like here 102, or we can write 100 plus 0 plus 2. Understood? If there are no blocks in the ones place, you will write 0 there. Or if there is no block in the tens place, there also you will not write, there is no block, then you will write 0 there. So here in the tens place we have written 0. Okay, block is not there. Clear, children? Now open the page. Yes, fill in the blank boxes. Here you can see question A, 100 is written equal to, in the box it is written 100 plus 0 tens plus 0 ones, and the number name is written 100. Now question B, it is also being solved. 129, 100 plus 2 tens, that is 20. 2 tens plus 9 ones, number name is 129. Now question C, let's do together. Yes, 159. So here we will write 150, that is 5 tens and plus 9 ones. Now write the number name. Yes, 159. Okay, now question D, 185. Yes, write 100 plus 80, that is 8 tens plus 5 ones. Again write the number name, 185. Can you write, children? Check the answer. Like this you have done. Good. Now question E, 143. See, 100 plus 4 tens plus 3 ones. You have to write the number name. Question F, question G, question H, question I, that is 200 See, 200. So 2 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 0 ones. And the last one is 133. 100 plus 3 tens plus 3 ones. Write the number name 133. Okay, you can do it. Now match the column. Column A, the numbers are written. You have to match with the number names. 147. Yes, try to find out where it is written. 147. Now B, that is 163. Yes, can you see? Yes, 163. Match it. Then 198. 175. 186. 139. Have you done, children? Finished? You have finished with teacher only? Very good. Now look at the abacus and fill in the boxes. You can do, you know how to count on the abacus rod. Yes, you can count the beads. So first one, 162. The number name is written. 100 plus 6 tens plus 2 ones. So question B we will do. Okay. First what you have to do? See here. Okay, 100 tens ones. Then you have to count the beads. Come to question B. Yes, from the ones place, start counting. 1, 2. Okay, write 2. Then in the tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. And in the hundreds place, 1. So 152. Write the number name. 152. Then here you will write 100 plus 5 tens plus 2 ones. Clear? Now question C. Yes, count the beads from the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. Then in the tens place, 3. And in the hundreds place, 1. 136. Write the number name. And here you will write 100 plus 3 tens plus 6 ones. Write the number name 136. Correct? Like this you have written. Okay. Now question D. Yes, try to do yourself. So in the, again you have to count the beads. So in the ones place, nothing is there. So you will write here 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And then in the hundreds place 1. 160. So write the number name 160. Okay. 100 plus 6 tens plus 0 ones. Then question E. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Then in the tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then in the hundreds place 1. So write the number name 184. And here in this line you can write 100 plus 8 tens plus 4 ones. Write the number name. Correct? Like this you have done? Yes. Very good. Now question F. Again in the ones place. Yes, count. Yes, we are getting 8. In the tens place, no beat. So it is 0, and the hundreds place 1. So 108. Write the number name 108. Okay, like 100 plus 0 tens and 8 ones. Correct? All are finished? Very good, children. Now, draw beads on the abacus to represent the numbers. You have done this in your junior classes. Do you remember? Yes, so the number is 163. So in the ones place, draw 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 beads. Then in tens place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in hundreds place, 1. 163. Now question B, 114. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the tens place 1. In the hundreds place 1. Question C, in the ones place, draw 7. 157. So draw 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then in the tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the hundreds place 1. Okay. And this one, question D, E and F, do as your homework. This you can do? Yes? Okay. Thank you, children. Bye.